Hey guys, Professor Embers here. Thank you for tuning into all my songs. I'll try to potentially do some more, typically monthly for your enjoyment. Um, I'm trying to do a lot of other things, and this is actually a poem that someone sent me, and I think everyone every pony should try to bear with me here so that I can get more out and try to give you some more um, variety of what I'm doing. I'm gonna be analyzing some more key marks. I know I haven't done those in quite a while, but I'll be analyzing mine and a few others. Mostly, mine was just a cool little thing I wanted to do. Um, and it's actually gonna be pretty fun for me to uh, analyze mine since it's very uh, different, I guess you could say. Um, it's gonna be very good. I'm going to G5, which is the newest My Little Pony, and I'm gonna try to do some more of that. Cause the key marks on there are kind of like a little different, and I think I should at least try to explain some of those. So, but enough of that. This is called Hurricane, and I hope you guys enjoy. The summer approaches, the water drops start to rise. Pitter patter, giving out its cries. A call to fly, fly in the rain. Through the gusts, through the pain. Leap off the perch and set to the air. Flying into the storm, taking great care. Drenched feathers, soaking wings, raining, hitting hard. Painful stings, you cannot fly well until you feel the flight, that feeling of instinct guiding your flight. Close your eyes and focus, feel the wind below. It will lift and push thee in its gusting flow. Can you feel it? The feeling so grand, far above the world, free from the land. You free your child. You've learned how to fly. Feel the drops from you to the sky.